one last tutorial for you guys that I'm going to show you. Apparently, after talking to some people today, we did not know how to email ourselves an attachment. So if you have a flash drive and you save stuff on that, that's great, no big deal. If you feel comfortable using the school share drive, that's great too, no big deal. I'm not a huge fan of the share drive because you never know when it's not going to work. So my favorite is usually to send these things to myself in an email version as an attachment, or I will save on my flash drive. So here we go. So let's just take this random Excel file, okay? And the first thing I want to do, where'd it go? There it is I want to save it so I have it. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to click on Save As, and I'm going to click on this PC. Actually, I'm going to browse because I want to save this to a place that's easy to find. And usually the best place is where I can see it, and that's the desktop. That just means it's going to show up on the picture screen once you minimize all these windows. So instead of book 1, maybe I'll title it Density Lab, and I'll save it to the desktop folder, and it should show up there just great. So if I minimize out of here, now if I look, yep, there it is, Density Lab, it's right there. I'll bring it out there. Okay, so now here's how we email that to ourselves. If I go into Google and I compose a new email, okay, oops, let's try that again. And I compose it to myself. My email is hunt.danny. Can't type. There we go. Or if you have like a school email you want to send it to, whatever email is fine. You can even do this in a Yahoo account, whatever. If you want to type in a subject like Density Lab, that's fine. And then you come down here where it says Attached Files. It looks like a little paperclip. So I'm going to click on that paperclip, and I'm going to go up to my desktop, and I'm going to find the document on there. It says Density Lab. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hit Open, and you'll see it loading there on the bottom, and now it's attached that as an Excel file. If I send that to myself, and then I refresh my email, wait for it, Yahtzee, it pops up, a mail from me. That little paperclip means there's an attachment on there. This is really handy too. Maybe if you're having a bad day, like just maybe something bad happened, you just failed a test, or got into a fight with your brother or your girlfriend or boyfriend or your mom before you came to school. Whatever it might be, you're just feeling a little bit down and out. Maybe it's just a rainy day. Send yourself an email. Send yourself, maybe come up with an encouraging quote or a sentence or just something, some word of encouragement like "you're awesome" or "you can do it" or "I'm really proud of you," and just shoot that to yourself in an email. And don't open it then. Maybe just remember to check your email like maybe an hour later, and you'll see this really encouraging email from yourself to yourself, but it might lift your spirits, make you laugh a little bit, make you smile, which is what we need sometimes. So definitely being able to email yourself is a great thing. I encourage you guys to do that from time to time. That's all for this tutorial. All right.